Come with me as I do a quick harvest in the garden. So this morning, my eggplants are coming in, and I really want to get them out of here before they get too big where I can't eat them. So here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest our eggplant. There it is. Never planted it before. So here is our eggplant. So we have 3 of them. So I'm gonna harvest these 3. Hopefully it can signal to the tree that it's time to get some more going. Okay. I have this little one here I'm gonna save for seeds. All right, let's go over to the okras. Okay, here we go. All right, so that's my quick morning harvest. I've got 3 eggplants and 4 okras. And there you have it, guys. 3 eggplants, 4 okras.